Back with another video. Thanks for being here. Welcome to the program. My name is Sean Santamaria. Kung bago ka sa channel, maraming salamat sa pagbisita. Please consider subscribing. Sigurado ako mag-e-enjoy kayo sa cycling content natin. And for you guys who've been subscribers from the sneaker channel pa, maraming salamat sa pagbisita dito. Thank you for allowing me, for giving me the opportunity to serve you something different. So cycling is also one of my passions. It's a recent thing for me. I've been cycling my whole life. Buong kabataan ko, nagbabike tayo. Pero ngayong adult life talagang nag-full blast at kinailangan gumawa ng channel. Okay, so thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. It's a great episode. I'm excited to do this for a couple reasons. Number one, I'm announcing the giveaway. Okay? So for the first, so hindi pa masyado fleshed out, ano? So i-marka na natin. For the first 150 subscribers, okay? We're gonna give away a cockpit upgrade of sorts. Okay? Of sorts kasi baka yung ibibigay kong cockpit components mas mababa pa dun sa current na meron kayo. But anyway, we're gonna give away a stem, a handlebar, a bell, a light, and grips. Okay? So full cockpit yan. And lalagay ko na lang yung mechanics sa description. Okay? That's reason number one. Reason number two, we are featuring one of the most revered, one of the most respected, one of the most legendary bike frame for that matter, in the world of cycling. If you're a cycling enthusiast, you probably know about the Pinarello DOGMA series, okay? So yan ang i-feature natin sa video na to. Take a look. So this bicycle is currently on display at Bicycology at Danghare, and according to the shop curator na si Jenna. Hello Jenna, kamusta? Ang total price ng bisikletang ito ay umaabot ng 800,000 pesos. Ganong kamahal? So sa frame pa lang guys, ang banggit sa akin ni Jenna, 400,000 pesos na umaabot. Okay? This frame by the way came out in 2010. It was the first asymmetrical frame from Pinarello. If I'm not mistaken, kung mali info ko, lagay nyo sa comments ha. But this was the first asymmetrical frame, groundbreaking, revolutionary. When it came out almost 10 years ago, it had a price tag of $6,500. Okay? So doon pa lang, 300,000 pesos na. Plus shipping, plus tax, aabot talaga ng 400,000 pesos. Hindi na natin iisa-isahin pa ang mga ibang components ng bike. Tingnan nyo na lang. Let the bike components speak for itself. Tingnan nyo ang group set. Tingnan nyo yung STI, yung drivetrain. Tingnan nyo ang wheel set. Tingnan nyo yung preno. Tingnan nyo lahat. Okay? It will make sense to you na talagang papatak ng 800,000 pesos itong bisikletang ito. Let's talk about the asymmetric property of the DOGMA frame, okay? Una-una ang ibig sabihin ng asymmetric, dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ay hindi pantay. Iba ang kaliwa sa kanan. Ang bisikleta kasi, kaliwa, kanan, tinidor, di ba? Frame, seat stay, chain stay. Pantay ang forma niyan. Ang ginawa sa DOGMA is hindi nila pinantay, pinaling nila. Bakit? The mindset was, ang stress, ang workload nangyayari talaga sa drive side kung nasa yung crank. Mas bugbog yun, di ba? Mas mabigat. Okay? So, ang traditional setup ng bisikleta, as is, hindi na kaagad pantay dahil nasa kanan yung stress tsaka yung bigat. Ang ginawa ng Pinarello DOGMA is, hindi nila pinantay para pumantay. So, they made micro adjustments dun sa kaliwa tsaka sa kanan, pinalitan yung weight, pinalitan yung mass composition, hindi nila pinantay para pumantay. Astig, di ba? And there you have it, my friends. Napakagandang bisikleta. What do you think of the bike? Let me know in the comments. I'm interested to find out, okay? So ito ang Pinarello DOGMA 60.1. Are you a Pinarello owner? Are you a DOGMA owner? Gusto rin naming malamang mga non-Pinarello owners ang experience nyo with the bike, okay? Salamat sa panonood. Don't forget, may raffle tayo ha. Always ride safe. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching.